Hi everybody, and today I'll be watching some fireworks. I'm going to try to capture some. There's been going off over there, there's been going off over there, and well, mostly everywhere. Over there, I have seen some, but yeah, see that one? But I have done some as well with my mum and with my dad. My dad has done some. There's some of these guys over here. Yeah, that's cool. But we only had like 10 to do, so we had to. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Look at that! Whoa! That was awesome, guys, wasn't it? So people were like firing them around. It's making me really happy watching them. And happy 5th of November, everyone. Anyways, you can check, see. Oh, there we go. Oh, that was silent one. Silent. There's some over there. Whoa. There's loads going off now. Yeah, so I hope everyone's having a great day. Most probably have done their own fireworks themselves. If you don't celebrate it but like watch it, be sure to watch my video, of course. We're just going to be watching these guys just flying in the air. They're like really silent ones. So we're just having a look around, thinking where some could be. I've seen a whole big display over there, where like, see that red light, and in the middle of that shadow of the tree, there's been like a massive display happening, and that's down at Mayfield. I don't know if some of you are down there watching them now, but yeah. But I can also see them too. Well, watch them or something, I don't know. But it looks like we can't see any more, so I have to end the video, guys. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and like this video if you love fireworks, or just like the video. Goodbye, guys.